Hey, there's Troll Boy on the ground.
What
Huh?
that?
112, pick the order, please.
I eat a lot.
Troll Boy on the ground.
Oh,
You're not arrested,
come
you're just
on,
gonna be detained.
Please.
Just put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands around your back for a minute.
Please.
Stop.
On December 28th, 2024, in Cranston, Rhode Island, 55-year-old Susan Tripp was pulled over by police. She claimed she and her boyfriend were finally escaping to Florida with their cat to leave their drug-filled past behind. But moments later, her story began to completely fall apart.
There we go.
I thought it was stuck.
No problem. I just couldn't see.
Okay.
You have any license on you?
I have a license. I don't have it on me.
You don't?
No. My wallet got stolen about a week ago.
How'd that happen?
I was at TJ Maxx and I had my pocketbook open and I was bending down looking at stuff.
TJ Maxx? What TJ Maxx?
The one in Fall River.
Fall River?
Yeah, but I have a good license. I can
Alright.
give you my name.
What's your name?
Susan Tripp.
What is it?
Susan Tripp, T-R-I-P-P.
TRP. You ever been arrested before?
Yes.
You have been? Where?
In Fall River.
Fall River? What was that
Boyfriend. Boyfriend.
for? Your boyfriend?
Yeah. And here's my insurance.
What happened with your boyfriend?
Him beating people up.
Oh.
Yeah.
Right.
That's just my insurance. But my birthday's 6/6.
Alright, where you coming from?
The hotel. Tano Lodge.
Oh, okay. How long you
We're
been
moving to Florida.
Who's moving to Florida?
My boyfriend and I, my cat.
Okay. How long you been,
At Tano Lodge.
yeah,
For probably about 5 or 6 days.
5 or 6 days? How long you planning on staying?
Tonight. That's it.
What are you doing there?
We're just waiting to
You're
get
with your boyfriend there? What is it?
Edward.
Last name?
Branco, B-R-A-N-C-O. It's February.
Alright. What did you get arrested for in Fall River?
It was, he beat some people up and robbed them.
Hey.
So, yeah.
How old are
But
you?
he's older now. I'm 55.
55?
I'm old. He's 64. We got old, officer. It's gonna happen to you too.
Alright, what do you got in your bag right here?
Nothing. It's candy and my stuff.
You got some gummy bears?
Yep.
Alright.
What's that white bag in that bag?
It's just my stuff. It's all my stuff. What's the problem?
You got, hey, there's Troll Boy on the ground.
What
Huh?
that?
112, pick the order, please.
I eat a lot.
Troll
of
Boy
candy.
on the ground
I
right
have
here.
candy all the back.
Yeah.
Alright, give me two. Get that across.
Why? Am I under arrest?
No, you're not under arrest. Being disabled right now.
Why?
Well, you got a bunch of Troll Boy on the ground right here and on the passenger side, so. Do you use drugs at all?
I have a drug habit.
You do?
Yeah.
It's all prescription.
I have prescription.
100%?
You like needles or stuff like that?
No.
Just stand right here for me.
Do you have anything on you right now that's gonna poke us, stick us, or anything like that at all?
No, I don't.
Do you have any of those
No
pills on you?
needles. No needles.
So what's your drug card? Coke?
And heroin, but I'm not on.
But you don't
I've
do
been
needles?
on- No.
So how do you-
Suboxone. I've been on Suboxone for 5
alright.
years.
How'd you get hooked on that?
Suboxone?
Yeah,
My son's father.
your son's fine. All right.
Yeah.
Do you have nothing on you right now at all?
No. I'm
Alright.
old. I got
Do you have
old.
anything in the car?
My pills.
Before I search the car, be honest with us. Like, what's
My
in the car?
pills.
Just the
my
pills?
Yeah.
No coke. You don't got an 8-ball, dime bag, nothing in there.
I don't believe so.
right.
Unless
So-
my boyfriend, but I don't think so.
Is your
no.
boyfriend with you right now at the hotel?
Yeah.
Is he still there?
Yeah.
He is.
We
How
got
long you
old.
been on drugs?
I had a drug problem since I was about 16.
Right. 16 years old.
I'm
Have you
55.
always been using it like since then?
No, I've been clean for about 5 years, but I struggle.
Yeah.
I just lost my mother-in-law.
Oh, sorry to hear
and we
that.
lost the house we live in. But there's a baggie with pills in it, and I'm on prescription for all those.
Do you have the
pills.
prescription with you?
I don't. But I get it. I get it from Walmart. I have the thing on my phone saying it.
All right. You got anything in the trunk or anything?
Just our stuff to move.
Just your stuff.
Yeah.
You have been
'Cause
arrested
we
for
wanted
drugs?
to- Yeah.
You have been?
Yeah.
What was that for? Heroin?
Heroin.
You don't use heroin anymore then?
No, I'm on Suboxone.
What do you want that for? Just to get off of the heroin?
It's an opiate blocker.
And who's your doctor?
Dr. Smith. Byron Smith.
Alright, so if I call him,
Yeah.
I know you don't have the prescription with you, but
You can call.
if I call him, he's gonna say you got a prescription
Yes,
for all this stuff.
absolutely. And it goes up from Walmart in Fall River. So if you call Walmart in Fall River,
Why are you staying at the Econo Lodge?
we sold the house. Him, his brothers, and his one sister sold
Smoke?
the house.
Why there's so many lighters?
I smoke, and he smokes.
Cigarettes?
Yeah, I have cigarettes.
What are you taking?
I'm on Xanax,
So
Suboxone,
you got Xanax?
Suboxone, Adderall, and that's it.
All right,
And you can call, and I can show you on my phone where I picked up the prescription and it says it.
We'll do that in a minute.
Okay.
Well, you
Thank you.
know you need the
It needs to be in a pill bottle.
It needs to be in a pill bottle with your name on it and the doctor, and each pill needs to be on in each bottle separately. You can't do that.
Okay.
You have
Only reason why we did is because we were moving.
You can't
That's
just mix them all
why.
together.
We have 50 pills in here, all mixed, and they're all drugged.
I get 112 Xanax. I get 84. There's Suboxone too. I have Suboxone too.
Where's that? I mean, you got a scale and everything.
That if you
Ever sit behind the car.
saw
Ever
some
sit
of my
behind the
old
car.
pictures, you'd see why I have to
got
weigh
you.
everything.
Stand behind the car for now.
How do you open this?
You see
I got
that? Yeah. It's mine and my boyfriend's.
So what are the pink ones?
That's Adderall.
What's the white ones?
Xanax.
What's the blue ones?
Xanax.
What's the orange ones?
Adderall. You know what? It's my boyfriend's and mine put together.
Yeah, you
I
can't-
didn't know.
you
I
can't be
really
doing
didn't
that.
know we had to have them in a bottle.
Of course you do. Come on. You've
I
been
didn't
arrested
know
for it before. Like
I
you
didn't
know
know I
the
had
deal.
to have it in a bottle, in the same bottle. I did not know.
I don't know. It's a little fishy.
All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're just going to detain you real quick.
Oh,
You're not arrested.
come
You're just
on,
going to be detained.
Please.
Just put your hands behind your back.
Put your hands behind your back for a minute.
Please.
Stop.
I'm not fighting.
Yeah, I know. We're just going to put you in the back of the car. And we're going to figure everything out, yeah.
Thank you,
There's
guys.
a couple things I've seen there. It just looks a little bit suspicious.
Can you put your palms together, please?
I'll unlock my phone. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna see what we can do.
Please.
Watch out, I'm just gonna lock them up real quick.
Not arrested. We're just figuring it out.
Thanks, guys.
Yep. Why do you park like that in the Econo? All sideways and stuff.
I just pulled in. I came last night.
It was a question.
All right, take a seat.
That was what got the attention.
I gotcha.
As the officers started searching the car, they suddenly muted their body cams. With no sound, you can only watch as they pull out bags, dig through her things, and start laying out pills, paraphernalia, and what looks like crack right on the hood of the car, quietly piecing together the full picture. Even in silence, the footage speaks volumes about what they were really dealing with.
Is this your phone?
Yes.
Do you know anything about the crack in the car?
No.
Is that crack or meth? Be honest with me.
I've never seen that.
And that tiny little cylinder, this big. It's got a nice rock in it.
It must be coke. It must be
be crack?
Yeah.
All right.
Cocaine.
All right, so you're gonna be coming with us.
Why?
We don't have a
Can't
choice.
give me a break. Can't give me a break, please.
I can with drugs. I mean, I can have you talk to some people and see what they can do with the charges. If you want to work with them. It is a Saturday.
Good amount of crack right here.
What is it?
It's crack. It was in your purse.
Yeah. I told them.
She's
All right. Well, I asked you before. You didn't say anything.
I forgot I had it.
I heard you.
All right,
What is it? Is it crack, meth?
Cocaine.
All right.
This your phone?
Did you have anything on her?
No,
She's not
I'm
bringing it, so-
sweating.
What do you have? Just a watch in that other pocket?
Leave everything
Yeah.
over here.
All right, sit by the car quick.
Susan was slapped with serious charges: possession of Schedule 2 under 10 grams, possession of Schedule 4 under 10 grams, and possession of Schedule 1 to 5 over 10 grams, all first offenses. But the real shock came when officers later found additional drugs she had secretly hidden on her at the station. And just one day later, on December 29th, police pulled her over again for what would become an even more explosive encounter.
What's up, man? How you doing? 10-3.
Officer, you just did this yesterday.
Yeah. So here's the thing. All right. Let me talk to you out of the car really quick.
Good.
All right, let's go back here.
My cat is so scared.
Yeah, I got you. So, how do you know her?
Huh? My girl.
All right, so you're gonna save your time. You're gonna save yourself a lot of hassle right now.
Yeah.
All right. So, like somebody seen something. The reason for the stop is because federally, there's a brake light out. All right.
Where is it?
The third brake light. Where's the third brake light?
Right here.
Where is it?
Oh, this is here.
You can't see because of the tint.
Oh,
And anyway, it's federally it's illegal to have a windshield. All right. The windshield tinted. She didn't use her left blinker up there. All right. There's multiple traffic violations, but that's not even the fact. She got arrested yesterday for crack, right? I pull you over for the traffic violations. Now there's crack pipes. I see crack in the pipes. Yeah, I mean, so here I'm gonna have you be honest with me, all right? And don't bullshit me, all right? Because either I'm gonna lock both of you up for disorderly, or you're just gonna tell me straight out where's the crack.
There's no crack in it.
So
There's probably pipes. There's no crack.
but there's no crack, so it's on you.
It's not on me.
No, don't reach for nothing. Don't reach for nothing. Turn around. I'm gonna pat you down. Here's the thing. She lied yesterday, right? Made it worse for her. Now she got charged with a felony. All right. I'm not trying to wrap you up in a felony charge.
No.
You know what I mean? You just tell me if there's crack on you.
No, I told you it's not. I'm being honest with you.
I got you. If you're being honest, that's fine. There's a crack pipe at your foot over there. All right.
What?
There's a crack pipe at your foot,
On my foot.
your right foot or your left foot, on the passenger floor.
Yeah?
There's a crack pipe right there. Yeah.
Oh, well.
You know nothing about it?
No.
All right. You got a lighter in your pocket. You know what I mean? So here's the thing: you're not in trouble, right?
Thank you, buddy.
But
I ain't doing nothing.
I got you, but I'm putting you in the back of my car for a minute.
For what?
Well, for the pure fact that there's crack pipes everywhere. I don't know if there's cracks, though. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna let you guys just drive away knowing there's crack pipes right there, right? That makes pretty much sense. If you were a cop, you wouldn't do that.
Huh.
All right. So do me a favor. Sit in the back of the car for a minute.
What the push me, bro?
I'm not pushing you. I'm just making sure you can walk.
We can walk.
All right. Well, you're leaning. That was gonna fall out of your pocket.
Thank you.
Why
would you think you're getting arrested?
Why are you doing this again? I haven't had a chance to clean anything.
I'm not trying to arrest you. Just
I want to go to Florida and start my life. Please, you just lost his mom.
10-3. I got 105 with me.
It's like I feel like you're picking on me.
Oh, I'm not picking on you. It's not right if you
to clean anything. I haven't had a chance to do anything. We're getting away from Fall River to get away from the drugs to go start a new life. Look at all my belongings.
Huh?
Look at all my belongings. My
Who's the
cat.
guy Prince to you?
Prince. I don't know
No,
anybody
you don't know
named
Prince?
Prince. I don't know
All right.
anybody.
Well,
named
here's the
Prince.
thing. So, yesterday, you roll up the window so your cat doesn't get out.
Okay.
No, not the other window.
Oh, yeah, okay. I don't know a Prince. Honestly.
All right, that's fine. I mean, I don't care. We're just asking you a simple question really quick.
Okay. I don't.
Now leave the cat.
You know, I would tell you the truth.
I mean,
I have.
you lied. You lied multiple.
I was scared, but I do have stuff on me. But we're
Right now?
Yeah.
What do you have?
We're getting away. We're getting away from it. A little bit of coke.
Okay, where is
We want
it?
to get away from Fall River as far as
Where's the coke?
Yeah.
We told us to.
See, the thing is, like,
I mean,
But I mean,
it's-
but you're all over me. I just want to get
all
away.
over
go
you.
to
You
Fall
shouldn't
River.
have had crack. I walk up. There's already 2 crack pipes on the floor over there.
right there, it's just a
Give
given
us a
sign.
chance. We're getting old. We want to go away from people we know that use. You know what I mean? Just
Listen.
why are you all over?
Why do you have crack on you again if you got arrested for it yesterday?
Listen. We have a problem.
Listen,
Can I answer
no,
that?
it doesn't make sense.
Can I answer
Listen,
that?
I'm gonna let you answer it. I'm gonna give you the chance. And if
It
we
doesn't
arrest you and
matter.
I find
Oh,
more
that's
crack
gonna
on you
get-
again,
I know that's all of it.
what the fuck?
That's all. I have everything in there.
Where is it?
I have makeup in there.
Where's the crack?
No, it's an empty bag. It's right there. I
Where?
see it.
All right. Either way, get out of the car really quick.
You're arresting me.
I'm not gonna arrest you yet.
Sir?
If it's a small amount and there's nothing, I mean, what's
It's
on
a
the floor?
small amount.
There's all shit all over the floor,
No,
right?
that's
all
that's
cold?
dirt shit. No, that's dirt shit. I wouldn't throw it
All
on
right,
the floor.
go back there real quick.
It's a little bit. I don't.
I mean, it's not a little rock. It's a pretty fucking big rock.
It's only a little personal use. Honest to God, personal use. We're going to Florida. Look.
I mean,
told you my cat.
You
remember?
put something in your pants the other day, too.
I know. I was scared to death.
Yeah, I mean,
But I'm
you don't
being
look scared
honest
right now.
with you. And what I told you, I had it. Please, officer.
Yeah,
give
I mean,
me a
don't listen.
chance.
Yeah.
Please give me a chance.
We already gave you
I
a
got
chance.
my cat.
I gave you multiple times.
That's why I'm going to Florida.
I'll give you maybe the opportunity not to arrest him. That's maybe what I'll do. But right now, you're gonna be detained.
Why?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Don't walk away. Don't walk away.
I'm not walking away.
All right, put your hands behind your back. Come here.
Why are you pushing me?
Because you're walking away. You're walking in 3 different directions over here. Like, get the hand, yeah.
I'm not running away.
You're gonna stop doing drugs?
We're going to Florida. You can
Well, obviously you can't go to Florida if you have a court date.
Yeah, I told you the guy. I said I'm going to buy a house in Florida, and he said, "Well, you better be here for March 28th."
All right. So what do you have on you? This is what I will do.
I had a lighter.
I won't charge you with something if you have on you if you tell me where it is right now. Because the girl's gonna strip search you.
I just had a lighter.
There's nothing down there.
Nothing down there.
You did it. You did it everywhere.
Nothing.
You want to bring him back to your cruiser?
Yeah.
Why are you like? Why won't you give me a chance?
What do you got it for?
Crack. More crack.
Are you serious?
In the end, Susan Tripp faced new charges from the second stop, possession of Schedule 1 to 5 over 10 grams, while her boyfriend was charged with possession of Schedule 1 to 5 under 10 grams. Their dreams of escaping to Florida with their cat ended right there in the back of a patrol car, just 48 hours after her first arrest. If you want to see more intense body cam videos like this, click the video on your screen right now, hit like and subscribe for more.